What's up everyone, welcome back to another tech tip video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install dynamic island on Windows 11. So this is a free widget you can use on Windows PCs. So as you can see, if I click on this icon, it will show me the date and time, and I can click on this calendar. Also, if I go to weather, it will show me the weather in right now, and I can go to memory. It will show me the memory usage. Can go to shutdown. It will show me the shutdown buttons as well. So that's a small demo. I'll show you how to install in this video and how to use it in this video. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and like this video and share with your friends as well. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go into your favorite browser, open the favorite browser and go to google.com, then search for X widget and go to the first link, which is www.xwidget.com. Then download the setup file. So I'm going to click download here. Okay, once it's downloaded, go to the downloads folder and extract this zip file. So I'm gonna extract all and click extract. So this is the setup file. I'm gonna double click it to open up and press yes. Now this is a simple setup. Just press next, and I already installed, so I'm gonna click yes. And desktop, yeah. So it's all installed. Now I'm gonna click finish. It will launch the X widget. Okay. It's not showing anything here because I have already installed it and I have tested out in this system. So once you install it, it will open up this window. I'm gonna go here, go more widgets. This window will be pop up, and if this is not loading up, you need to go into your taskbar, right click on the icon of this X widget and click exit. Then you need to run it again, open it up again, and it will show up if I go to more widgets. Okay, so once you come here, you will be able to see desktop dynamic island section. So I'm going to click that, and if you not find it, just search for it, dynamic island, in the search bar, then you will be able to get that one. So go down and click download for free. It will download the widget and install into your system. Okay, as you can see, it's already there, so I can move it up here, and if I click on it, it will show me the time and the date. And I'm going to go to calendar, show the calendar as well, and if I click again, it will close it up. So if I right click on this widget, you can set it up to weather, memory, battery, player, or shutdown. So let's go to weather, and if I click on it, it will show me what weather is in right now in my area. And if I go to memory, you can see it's showing me the memory usage. Okay, so if I go to battery, it will say it's unplugged or plugged, and the percentage of the battery. Also, you can go to shutdown, and if I click on it, it will show me my username, and you can shut down from here. Okay, so that's the dynamic island. I hope this video helped you to find out how to install a dynamic island in Windows 11 and how to use it. So if that's the case, like this video and subscribe to this channel, and see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.